This is your boy Jay, and I'm here with the VONT Smart Light Strips. I'm going to show you how to set it up and how to control these bad boys. Keep it locked in. Hey, what's up everybody? It's your boy Jay here with an unboxing of the VONT Smart Strip Lights, up to 16.4 feet. Works with Alexa, works with Google Assistant, works with IFTTT. You can go to VONT.com for more. Stay curious. So inside the box, we have the lights themselves. Then we also have the cord that connects to the pins. And then the adapter that'll go in the wall. And then if you want to mount these to anything, like if you want to hang them, I guess, on the wall, what I'll do is I'll be putting them behind my desk area. And then some scratch offs, I guess, to see if I want a cool prize. I'll do that in my leisure. Thank you for your purchase, QR code, and rubbing alcohol, I guess, to stick these with the adhesives and stuff like that. You can stick them where you want. So how to get the most out of your smart strip. So you have this little remote control here that'll, I guess, control the sequence, power up the lights and stuff like that. But what I also like is that it has the 3M, I guess, adhesive. So if I wanted to like place this underneath here and then, you know, wire this to where I can control, you know, the lights and the sequence, that's pretty cool. Also comes with this adapter that plugs into this part that is also a part of the controller. So I'm gonna get everything set up and I'm gonna go ahead and just lay everything out, and then we're gonna plug in and see how everything looks. These are the lights themselves, and what I wanted to point out is that you'll see the areas where you can cut. So like right there, if you can see, there's a scissor, so you cut right in the middle there. So if your length is too long, you'll be able to cut to the proper length where it's indicated. Don't cut anywhere else but where it's indicated. All right, so I have cut down me a nice length that I'm gonna put behind my desk or behind my laptop. So wish me luck. Hopefully this will work. I'm gonna elect to use the adhesive strip that'll be back here. So I took the luxury of installing the strips at the top up here. That way it'll give it a glow effect to everything below it. So let's see what's up. And I also put the controls here, just in case I want to, you know, reach out and click. So let's demonstrate. Let there be light. And here we are. And I was able to turn it on with the power. And then if you go here, that hits with different color tones or colors. And then here allows you to do this. But I like it when it's still. Let's go back to blue lights. One of the things I want to recommend is installing the VONT app from the iOS store, App Store, and you'll be able to really maximize on these lights. Within the settings, you'll be able to integrate with Alexa. I'm unable to show you Alexa right now because I need to bring Alexa upstairs, and plus I'm using my phone to record, so can't really activate her now without disrupting my video, but it does work once you integrate it. And what you do is you go into the settings by hitting the little person icon at the bottom of the screen on your iPhone device, and you'll click on Smart Integrations, Alexa, and then Link. And if you already have the Alexa app on your phone, it's gonna link there, and then you'll be able to voice activate these lights. I like the VONT app because it has so many options as far as different scenes. If you want to calibrate it with music, there's so much to these lights that you'll be able to do that I'm very impressed with them. I will be using these lights and set these up around different areas in the home. I really recommend these lights because number one, the app is user friendly and they're easy to set up. So this is your boy Jay signing out. Peace.